Science and discovery, sound travels, string telephone. In a quiet corner of buzzing bee school, on an ordinary Monday morning, sat a group of excited children, ready to delve into the world of science. Today, said their beloved teacher, Miss Hummingbee, we'll explore the mysterious journey sound takes through our world. Miss Hummingbee handed each child 2 cups connected by a long piece of string, creating a telephone. Now, she said with a twinkle in her eyes, let's make some noise. With eager hands and curious minds, the children whispered into their cups, amazed as they heard their classmates' voices travel through the strange device. The children were buzzing with excitement. How does this work? Asked one student. Miss Hummingbee smiled and explained that sound waves are caused by vibrations in the air, and the string was simply helping to transmit those vibrations along its length, allowing them to be heard at the other end. With eager determination, the children set out to test their newfound understanding. They experimented by stretching and shortening the strings, discovering that longer strings carried sound better than shorter ones. Wow! Exclaimed one child. I think we're onto something here. As the day wore on, Miss Hummingbee guided her young scientists in investigating how sound travels not just through air, but also through solid objects and liquids. They marveled at the different ways sounds changed as they moved from one medium to another, gaining a deeper understanding of this fascinating phenomenon. At the end of the day, Miss Hummingbee asked each child to share their discoveries and insights. They spoke excitedly about how they had learned that sound travels faster in solids than in liquids, and that it can be blocked by solid objects. Their passion for learning was infectious, inspiring even the shyest students to share their thoughts. With the school day drawing to a close, Miss Hummingbee challenged her students to think about how they could apply this new knowledge to improve their world. They brainstormed ideas such as creating a soundproof room for a hearing-impaired classmate and building a warning system using vibrating strings to alert others of danger. As they left the classroom, Miss Hummingbee reminded her students that their learning journey was far from over. She urged them to explore further at home, using everyday objects like cups and string to experiment with sound and share their findings with their families. On the playground, the students chattered excitedly about the potential applications of their newfound knowledge. Their faces were alight with inspiration and determination, promising to continue pushing the boundaries of understanding in the days to come. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the playground, the children trudged homeward, their minds buzzing with ideas and questions about sound. They knew that this was just the beginning of a fascinating journey into the world of science and discovery. At home, one little girl sat in her room, surrounded by books and musical instruments. She was determined to uncover even more about the secrets of sound. With a twinkle in her eye and a heart full of curiosity, she picked up her notebook and began to jot down her thoughts. As we reflect on this day, let us remember the incredible journey that our young scientists embarked upon. They explored the fascinating world of sound, asking questions, experimenting, and uncovering secrets along the way. And as they continue their exploration at home, who knows what amazing discoveries await them. One thing is for sure. With their passion, curiosity, and determination, these young minds will undoubtedly change the world.